In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import Yahoo email to Gmail. To get started, make sure you are on a desktop or laptop computer and open a web browser. This import tool is designed for the desktop version of Gmail, so it is best not to use the mobile app for this. Sign into your Gmail account as you normally would, and wait until your inbox fully loads. Next, look toward the top right corner of Gmail. You will see the settings icon that looks like a small gear. Click that gear icon and then choose See All Settings. This opens the full settings page, where Gmail keeps the options for connecting other email accounts and bringing in older messages. Across the top of the settings page, find and click the tab called Accounts and Import. This section is where you can manage linked addresses, send mail as another account, and import messages from another provider. Now scroll until you find the option labeled Import Mail and Contacts. Click it. A small pop-up window will appear. In that pop-up, type your Yahoo email address, then click Continue. Take your time to enter the address carefully, because Gmail uses it to locate the correct account to connect. After that, Gmail will show another Continue button. Click Continue again. A new window will open for Yahoo Sign In. In that Yahoo window, sign into your Yahoo account using your normal login details. Be sure you are signing into the correct Yahoo account, especially if you manage more than one. Once you are signed in, you will be asked to grant permission for Gmail to access your Yahoo data for importing. Click Agree to allow access. This authorization is required so Gmail can transfer what you select. After you click Agree, you can close the Yahoo window and return to the Gmail import pop-up. You will now see import options, such as bringing over your contacts and importing your mail. Select the options you want based on what you would like to move into Gmail. At this point, the import process will begin, and it may take some time depending on how much mail you have. That covers everything you need to know.